Confidence hack number 15, Alexander the Great, 250,000 mollusks in the color purple. Today, it's an interesting one. You're going to gain confidence through just seeing the color purple. I'll explain why. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want a daily email to your inbox, how to boost your confidence, coming to you every morning, go to my website, davidnurse.com, sign up for free, and there's much more free stuff coming your way as well. Not your favorite color. Too bad. It's not mine either, actually, if I'm being honest, but after writing this confidence hack, it might just be. According to color psychology, yes, that is a thing, the color purple represents power and confidence. Throughout history, people have been enchanted by its deep, luxurious hue. Alexander the Great was known for wearing a purple robe when he went into battle. But why purple, though? For centuries, the color purple, the dye trade, was centered in the ancient Phoenician city of Tyre in modern-day Lebanon. The Phoenicians' Tyrrhenian purple came from a species of a sea snail known as Bolinius brandarius. Okay, I might not be saying that right, but just Google search it, you'll find it. And it was so exceedingly rare that it became it's worth its weight in gold. To harvest it, dye makers had to crack open the snail's shell, extract a purple-producing mucus, and expose it to sunlight for a precise amount of time. Crazy to just get the color purple. It took as many as 250,000 mollusks to yield just 1 ounce of usable dye. Sorry, mollusks. I apologize to you. But the result was a vibrant and long-lasting shade of purple. I mean, it's wild. You can't even make this stuff up. The rarity made it extremely desirable color for kings and queens to wear, signifying their power and their confidence. I mean, no one else had this color purple, so it said, hey, these are scarce threads. We have them. We have the power. Bringing it to full circle, modern day, the color purple also represents ambition, drive, confidence. When you see purple today, remember that. Kicks your mind, kicks your subconscious into the confident state that it is. So today, put on your best purple shirt or your royal robe and go confidently towards your goals. Gain an extra confidence boost today every time you see the color purple. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin. And for my face, it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife's is Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.